Hey there, this will be a supplementary video for part 6 of our Metroidvania series, where I'll be bringing you through updates like bug fixes and code optimizations, as well as solutions for problems you may encounter. The first change made is for the bat that doesn't stop chasing and gets recoiled infinitely. This is caused by missing code that lets the bat return to an idle state from chase state. Furthermore, there is no velocity change code to change the bat's recoil velocity after being recoiled. To fix this, in the bat script, we'll add an if statement under the chase state to return our bat back to idle state if the player is further than the bat's chase distance. Then, we'll add a code under the idle state to reset its velocity to 0. This will let the bat stabilize its velocity and stop recoiling without needing to be stopped by collision, as it will enter idle state after being recoiled and come to a halt. Next, another familiar optimization was made for the spikes and it freezing the game when being hit by them. Quickly solve this by changing all wait for seconds functions in the spike script to wait for seconds real time. Finally, the bat's corpse can be attacked and also recoils the player. There are different ways to solve this bug, but the simplest is to change the bat's layer to anything other than attackable when it dies. We'll start by creating or choosing a different layer we want the bat to change into. We'll call it ignore player. Make this layer identifiable for yourself if you want to use this on other enemies. In the if statement for death in the bat's change current animation method, add 2 lines of code to set an integer to layer mask name to layer, ignore player, and then set the GameObject.layer to the integer. This should change the bat off of the attackable layer and prevent the player from attacking the corpse. However, the player will still be blocked by the bat's collision. We could turn off the bat's box collider when it dies, but if we do, it will also fall through the floor. So let's introduce the layer collision matrix. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Physics 2D, Layer Collision Matrix. Note that both Physics and Physics 2D tabs have a similar look, so do double check that you are in Physics 2D. In the Layer Collision Matrix, you can set all collision interactions based on layers. Here, find the column for Ignore Player and turn off collision for default, attackable, and ignore player. This prevents the corpse from blocking enemies, stacking on each other, and players' movements and attacks. Note that this also depends on your game setup, so change the layers to whatever you feel is needed. And that's all for part 6. I hope this video has solved your issues and improved your mechanics for part 6 of the Metroidvania series. There will be a link in the description regarding these changes made to part 6 of the series that will cover all of the fixes discussed in the video. If you have a problem or question that has not yet been covered or is a unique circumstance, do head to our community forums at blogterrascore.com in the description for assistance. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.